Across the Lone Star State, 254 counties, 254 stories waiting to be told. At the heart of each one stands a symbol of history, heritage, and hometown pride. We're capturing every courthouse, one flight at a time. With boots on the ground and eyes in the sky. Soar above domes, towers, and time itself. Witnessing Texas from a new perspective. Every journey lands, but the story keeps flying. This is more than travel. It's a statewide legacy in motion. Follow the journey. Discover Texas. The 254 Project.
www.tx254project.com